Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Chess with Devons. A happy Sunday everyone, wherever you're tuning in. I came across this interesting puzzle and I thought it would be nice sharing it with you guys. So in this puzzle, you are playing as white. You are supposed to play the first move and mate black in two moves. You have two moves to mate black in this puzzle. Black only has a king, and you as white have pieces around the black king. You have a queen and a king to your aid to mate black in two moves. So if you don't mind, pause the video, try to solve it, come back when you found it. Good luck. Alright, so did you find the two moves that white has to play to mate black? Please let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe. So let's get into the video. So if you thought about playing a bishop move as your first move, let's say bishop anywhere, it would be a stalemate. That's the worst thing you would ever do because all the squares around the black king are protected by either the knights or the bishop. So playing the bishop move would lead to a stalemate, straight up. So that would be the worst move you would play because you won't win the game. It would be a draw. Alright, so let's try to see the knight moves. For example, knight b6. This is a very interesting move because it leaves black with two possible moves. And that would be black could either play e5 or e3. So let's see. If black played e3, that would be actually a mate in the next move. How? You could actually mate black in two ways by either pushing the pawn, that's a mate because there is no way the black king is going. Every piece around there is protected and black is in a check, so that's a mate. Or you could mate by playing queen a1. There is no way the black king is going. Every piece is protected, I repeat. So that means that would be a mate. So that means black won't have to play there. Black would actually have to play e3 as the first move, and after playing e3, there is no way you can mate it because even if you try to use your queen, black can still go back. There's no mate in the next move. So that means that's not the move we are looking for. Black can actually avoid that. We could also think of knight d6. Now after knight d6, you could be thinking black could play, let's say, e3 to escape, but then the problem is after e3, then white can play f5, knight f5, and that's a mate. That means it would be a mistake for black to actually take refuge at e3. So that means black can actually avoid that by capturing the bishop, and then that's not a mate. So that means it's not the move we are looking for because black can actually escape it. So knight moves, let's say knight to, let's say, d7, d6, still just capturing the bishop would be the solution. So actually knight moves are not going to work out for us because any knight move, the bishop is gone and there's no mate in the next move. So that means the knight moves are also not working out for us. What about a king waiting move? A king waiting move would actually leave black with one move, and that is to capture the bishop. And after capturing the bishop, there's no mate in the next move. So that's also invalid, all right? Because even if you try to check here, black can still come back. That's not a mate. So the waiting move by the king is invalid. So that means we are only left with the king, with the what? With the queen. So let's see if the queen will give us the move, the two moves that would mate black. So someone could think of queen a1. Now queen a1 leaves black with two moves, and that is to either capture the bishop or to capture the pawn. So let's see, do we mate black if it captures the wrong way? If black captures the pawn, then coming back to d1 would be mate. So that means black can actually avoid the mate by capturing the bishop. And after capturing the bishop, there is no mate. Even if you try to come and check from here, black still has an escape route. So that's not a mate. And the same thing applies even if you try to check from this side. It only has to capture the bishop, and it's safe. So that means the queen moves are the ones that are supposed to lead us to the solution, but we have to find the proper queen move. And if you found queen f4, you got the solution. Because remember, we found out that moving the queen leaves black with only two moves. That means to either capture the bishop or the pawn. Now, at queen f4, we get to mate black wherever it captures. If it captures the pawn, then d1 is mate, because there's no way black is going. And if it captures the bishop, then queen d7 is mate. So that means there's no way black can avoid a mate in 2 after we play queen f4. So queen f4 was the solution to this puzzle. Let us know if you found the solution. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Wait for more puzzles. They are also coming. Until next video, have a good day.